I got a sweet Sky Invader helicopter with 3 channels, missile attack, and a built-in gyro for precision flying, man.
Oh, cool, cool. Where'd you get it from?
I got it from thegreatdealonline.com.
What? You got that from a website? Man, I bet that was super expensive.
No, actually it was a great deal, hence the name, The Great Deal Online. Great website. Fast and easy service. Found the helicopter I wanted, put in my PayPal info, and in 2 days it arrived at my doorstep. All at an affordable price.
Wow, sounds great. I want one.
Well, then go to thegreatdealonline.com and get you one.
Can I play with yours? Huh?
No. Get your own.
It's a great deal online.